The problems we face in a city like Los Angeles can feel overwhelming. But imagine if there was a way to solve those problems.
Not far from here is one of the poorest neighborhoods in the city. A neighborhood where more than 1/3 of the families have an annual income of less than $20,000.
A neighborhood where nearly half of all adults never finished high school, and only 1 in 10 has a 4-year college degree.
Imagine if you could change that. At LA's Promise, we think we can.
LA's Promise is taking on some of the city's toughest problems by going deep, not wide. That means we know we can't solve every problem faced by every person in LA. But if we focus on one neighborhood, if we get everyone who has a stake in the success of that neighborhood to get involved,
And if we convince all those people to put their energy and talents and money and connections and creativity into solving the problems here, we can achieve results. Measurable results.
It started with a vision that every child in this community would be prepared for college, prepared for careers, and prepared to be healthy and successful in life.
the people who started LA's Promise believe that the key to empowering communities is schools.
And that you turn around failing schools not by walking away from them, but by walking into them and fixing them.
LA's Promise now runs 3 public schools under a first-of-its-kind contract with the LA Unified School District. The standards are tough. LA's Promise calls that academic rigor. That means our teachers, our parents, and our community have really high expectations for us. And they give us all the tools we need to help us meet those expectations. LA's Promise is also turning our schools into a hub for all kinds of support services that help kids and their families.
At last count, there were over 70 different partner organizations providing more than 200 high-quality services, from healthcare to job counseling.
The LA's Promise theory of change is simple. Create an empowered school community where our schools provide a rigorous education and serve as hubs for critical support services. That's a community that will produce kids who are ready for college, ready for careers, and ready to be healthy and successful in life. Is it working? You be the judge.
In the schools operated by LA's Promise, attendance is high, dropout rates are low, suspension rates are down, API scores are up, and test scores are up.
At West Adams Prep, the number of seniors accepted to college has quadrupled. At Manual Arts, that number has more than doubled, with a full 100% of applicants being admitted to college.
But there's so much more work to be done to keep improving our schools, to keep empowering this community, and to keep preparing students for success in college and life.
Imagine what young people like us can accomplish when we go out into the world. Imagine the lives we could lead and the good we could do. Imagine the strength and the courage it took for our community to begin to turn itself around. Then imagine one more thing. Imagine how much more we can do with your help.